Hi everyone, I'm Ellie from TipPad bringing you this fun and festive illustration course by digital artist Guadapinos. On this course, we'll go through a series of lessons that will help you create your very own Christmas illustration. And these include references, drawing a penguin and a polar bear in cartoon style, composition, perspective, and finally the illustration itself. With all of this, you'll be able to design and draw your illustration with no problems. When we're looking for references, we're going to use sites like Pinterest, where we can group various images or illustrations to use as inspirational guides to create our own. I'll show you how to create your own boards and save your images. When we draw the penguin and the polar bear, you'll learn how to analyse the basic structure of these animals, and then we'll proceed to draw them in a very simple cartoon style. We'll start with the structure and anatomy of a penguin before taking it to the cartoon style. And then we'll do the same for the polar bear. As these are the two animals that I'll be using for my illustration, these are the ones that I'll show you. But you can use different ones if you want to. After that, we'll move on to the composition of the scene. There are many factors that affect the composition, like the format of the drawing, the horizon lines, the visual weights and range of our illustrations. And I'll show you all of this with basic geometric shapes, so you'll finally be able to compose your own scene. For the lesson on perspective, what we'll do is draw the vanishing points on which we'll place the boxes that will be our gifts, our presents. We'll carry on drawing the scene using the perspective and basic blocking techniques. Then, it's onto the line art. And finally the colour, where we can add some interesting touches to the design. Okay, now you know exactly what we'll be doing. So, if you're feeling festive, join me on this course to create this super cute illustration.